Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's have a look at the price chart of Cosmos or Atom. Its current price is $30.56. This is the monthly chart. To some extent we're familiar with the price chart of Cosmos or Atom. We analyze it at least once a month. That's why let me remind you that the price has started to increase significantly, and it started increasing actually earlier last year. Then we had in the first couple of months of 2021 a solid price increase followed by some kind of correction. Then the price skyrocketed and recorded a set or a sequence of all-time highs. Here in October, the price chart formed a long leg dodge, so it's a candlestick that usually occurs at the top of some price increase. Also, the previous candlestick had a tall upper shadow indicating that the bulls were facing here a lot of resistance. Then the price decline, and after that we have a sequence of really very interesting candlesticks. So this candlestick has a bullish body but a very tall lower shadow. This candlestick has a bearish body within the bullish body of the previous candlestick but with a very tall upper shadow. This is a candlestick similar to this one. This one is like a dodge, and this is what we have in April, but we're at the very beginning of the month. So let's say that here it's obvious that the price has been consolidating. These candlesticks, actually their bodies are within the same range. We have tall upper shadows sometimes, we have tall lower shadows sometimes. So this is a typical, let's say, consolidation. Of course, it's too early to say in which direction the price will exit the consolidation, but according to the technical analysis theory, let me remind you that the longer the consolidation, the more reliable the subsequent, let's say, move. So if the price starts increasing, then probably we will have a sustainable price increase, and vice versa. If the price starts decreasing or exits this consolidation in the downward direction, then we will have probably a very significant, let's say, pullback or correction. So now we're in this consolidation according to the monthly chart. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. The price skyrocketed once again in the second half of the previous year. It formed a sequence of all-time highs. Then we had a correction that hit almost the middle or the half of this, let's say, price increase. So if we use the Fibonacci retracement levels, it is obvious that it hit the middle, or actually the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So we had some kind of, let's say, volatility in the middle of this price increase. Then the price hit once again the previous local high. So we have something similar, let's say, to a double top. Here we had a shooting star followed by a bullish candlestick that revoked this bearish signal. Then we had a bearish engulfing, but with a bearish candlestick with relatively tall upper shadow, lower shadow. Then we had a decline. Now in the middle we see a gravestone dodge followed by a long leg dodge followed by a gravestone dodge or a shooting star similar to this one but bearish candlestick. And now we have a sequence of three bullish candlesticks with ascending minimums and ascending maximums. So this is a small positive signal, and now the price is at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So what I want to say is definitely we have a lot of volatility here, but if we switch to a linear chart, it's obvious that we have a sequence of ascending local lows. Of course, the angle or the slope of this price increase is changing, but it's obvious that we have still sequence of these ascending local lows. So the uptrend remains in place. Of course, we have a lot of volatility. That's why we have to be really very cautious. At the moment, it's obvious that the price is very close to this trend line, but still the sequence of higher lows remains in place. That's why I would say that to some extent we have continuation of this uptrend. Next, if we switch to the daily chart, we can analyze the three key moving averages. Let's start step by step. This is the 30-day moving average, or for the period of 1 month. The price dropped below this moving average in the second half of January. After that, the price rebounded and it has been consolidating, let's say, at the 30-day moving average. At the moment, we're, let's say, above the 30-day moving average, but very close to the 30-day moving average. That's why I would say that the price is just consolidating at the 30-day moving average. If we have a look at the 30-day moving average, it's obvious that recently it has been moving sideways. That's why it confirms, let's say, this consolidation, and actually we saw this consolidation in the monthly chart. If we add the 3-month moving average, or 1 quarter, or for the period of 90 days in the daily chart, we see that it's been moving sideways as well. Now the price is above this moving average, or is at this moving average. That's why I would say that probably it confirms the consolidation, because we have two key moving averages definitely moving sideways. But if we add the 1-year moving average, or for the period of 360 days, it's obvious that it's heading upwards. So I would say that the major trend, or the uptrend, still remains in place, and the price has received several times support at the green line or at the 1-year moving average. For example, here, here, and here. And I want to say that at the moment we're above this moving average. We're very close to the two others moving averages, and probably, although we have this consolidation, it is more likely that the uptrend will continue if compared to the probability or likelihood that we will see another, let's say, price solid decline. So I would say that the most likely two scenarios are either continuation of this consolidation and prolonged sideways movement, or renewal at some point of time of the uptrend. This is the two most likely scenarios at the moment according to these moving averages. Now, if we have a look at the 4-hour chart, definitely we have some really very interesting, let's say, technical formations. For example, we had an uptrend followed by a double top, then the price started to decline. We've been following this descending channel, then the price exited the descending channel. It formed an ascending, broadening wedge. Then it hit the level of the previous two local highs, and the price started declining. Now the price is consolidating. I don't see any clear, let's say, ascending channel or descending channel at the moment, or within the last part of the chart. That's why I would say that we have some kind of consolidation here. And it seems that some key time frames, they confirm the continuation of this consolidation, but at some different time frames, for example, in the daily chart, we saw that the uptrend still continues. That's why probably most major time frames, they confirm these two key scenarios. The first one is continuation of this, let's say, consolidation, and the second one is renewal of the uptrend at some point of time. So that's it for today, fellas, about the price chart of Cosmos. Please share your point of view as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.